gentlemen, isn't it amazing how these tiny kids are amazing us with their discipline and maturity? It's nice and an important message which they have given through this beautiful play. Now to move on, our next show is a dance show from the two different dimensions. India has a rich culture. It is famous for its music, dances. Every state has a different language, different festivals, different dance forms. We have dances for every occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have dances for different seasons. We have Baisakhi, we have Pongal, even from outside. Because India is a melting pot of different cultures. And that is what has been shown in the fusion dance, which is going to be presented before you just in a few moments.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Our children are very fortunate and encouraged to get such an enthusiastic and wonderful audience who are braving the winter chill to sit through and watch their program. A round of applause from us for the wonderful audience that we have today.
Still something to do for herself and few people, and that which must seem now to awake is not anglicized. Oriental people, docile people of the West, and the ancient, immemorable Shakti recovering her deepest self, lifting her head higher towards the supreme source of light and strength, and turning to discover the complete meaning and a vaster form of her dharma. It's eternal. Something really pathetic. The fall of France, morally, spiritually, and pragmatically, have not only begun, but it was in its role. It gone out of hunger, thirst, needs of the people. First epics of France, Victor Hugo's. Ladies and gentlemen, France and the nobility in the great world, and the queen's unconcerned when the children of France were starving to death. The queen's concern was on the quality of
In France, children, men and women dying due to starvation, death, disaster everywhere, and the queen only thought about the quantity of wine that she's gonna.
We can't even feed our children.
France is starving and nobody cares.
Something has to be done. My son died due to starvation.
They all are just like a group of vampires. Wendy and the Queen of France. They all are just reading our library. I think they'll never forget. Oh Lord. I remember that night when my granddaughter died. I couldn't feed her. I couldn't nurse her. In this end, somehow I got a cup of milk, but the cat spilled all of it among us in front of my eyes. My granddaughter died. What did happen to the child? Yeah, that's what it was. 7 times I remember, and there was a meet in the family. Right now, not a mortal friend. What will happen to us? Martin is too tired of starvation. Oh, mother, will we all die? Can't you give me a piece of bread? I have seen half of my village died of starvation. The whole of my family died, and I'm the only one who's alive. Oh God, we are hungry. Give something to eat.
There was a cry for bread from the whole motherland, and then the queen walked into a cavalcade through the streets of Paris.
Oh, Lakar, I'm very busy with my festivities. Not even good grapes are available. How to make wines? I'm still thinking how to import them from Arabia. But Queen, they don't even have piece of bread to eat. Oh, Lakar, it's so simple. If they don't have bread, they can eat cake. But Queen, just
my dear, you get bread as well. Betty, get him some bread and make sure he gets it every day. Maggie! Maggie!
My lord?
Help him.
Hello!
That's how we lived. The hope of France. Not one time, not 2 days, not for months, but for years and years. The hope of France.
No, we didn't lock any door.
But Maggie says we must.
Must we? But why? Is she scared of the disabled soldier?
No. But a dangerous thief has come out of jail tonight.
Dangerous thief? How dangerous? Locked. Now front door is never locked. Anybody can push it and come in. Come in, just push the door open.
Sir, I must spend this night here.
Stay as many nights as you want to, my dear. You're always welcome.
This is what you all say at first. Until you know who I am.
Good heavens! Who is this?
My name is Jawalji. I spent 19 years in the jail. And they set me free just the other day.
This is the man who strikes the victims.
Shall I show you my prisoner's passport?
You didn't show me any passport. I already know you.
You know me? But how? I was in jail all these 19 years. And I haven't ever seen you. Perhaps you know somebody who looks like me. Here's my passport. It frightened everybody and it will frighten you as well. It says, this man is very dangerous. He was in jail 5 years for robbery and 14 years for trying to escape. Doesn't that frighten you?
It does, but you don't. I already told you, you're one of my brothers.
One of your brothers? I told you I haven't ever seen you. I don't have any brothers.
I already told you, you are one of my brothers.
You are the craziest innkeeper I've ever met.
Innkeeper! My.
You may call it brother if you want to. All I want is supper and a night's lodging, and I shall pay you for both.
You needn't pay us anything. Supper is already ready. Batty, the guest has arrived. Maggie, please set the table for supper.
My lord.
John Valjean, let's sit down to eat. Sit close to the fire. You must be very cold.
You're very kind, sir.
Not at all. Why do you pull your chair away? Is it because of your dusty clothes? Ask Batty how dusty my clothes become sometimes.
You're the kindest innkeeper I've ever met, sir.
Innkeeper? My.
Aren't you the innkeeper?
Batty, please ask Maggie to come soon. Our guest is hungry.
Alright.
I shall pay you very well, sir. I have enough money. Although I look like somebody who has nothing.
Let's eat first. Then we'll have plenty of time in the morning to discuss about the payments. Ladies! Receive, may the Lord make us truly thankful. Amen. Come, John Valjean. Let me show you into your room. Sleep well, John Valjean, sleep well.
That's the first time I waited with. But I can't sleep here for too long. The bed in this inn is too soft for me. What is that?
Nothing, just the cat.
Oh. But I have to go with this inn. The police. There's no reason I find that my dreams again. They think I'm a dangerous robber.
What did you rob, John Valjean?
That was a very miserable night. Me and my poor sister were out of work for several days. And my poor sisters, they were starving and cried for bread. I couldn't bear the pain of their cries and went to the baker's shop to borrow a loaf of bread. I knocked and cried again and again, but the baker wouldn't come out. In desperation, I had to break the shop window and took a piece of bread. This was the crime for which I was thrown in jail for 19 years.
God bless. Good night.
But I'm a dangerous robber now.
Where's the basket of plates? I did place it back here last night, didn't I? I keep forgetting things. I think Batty was checking with me. Batty! Batty!
Yes, Maggie.
Did you take the silver out for breakfast?
No, I didn't.
Then where has it disappeared? It can't disappear like that. Perhaps my brother has kept it somewhere. Brother! Brother!
Yes, Batty. What is it?
Have you seen the basket of plates?
The basket? Wait a moment. Here's the basket.
Oh, so but it's empty. Where's the silver?
The silver? I don't know where the silver is. I found the basket earlier in the garden.
In the garden? Then I know where the silver is.
Silver isn't in the house.
And your guest isn't in the house either.
Your guest? John Valjean? Our guest. Isn't he in his room?
No, he isn't. And the bedroom window is open. And I clearly remember that I shut it and bolted it for the night.
It must have grown hot. That
And
was
last night, and he didn't intend to. His nerves were for you.
What do you mean by that?
Please don't steal basketfuls of silver and go to sleep on them. Maggie, let's go to the police and complain.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on, my dear sister. Don't spoil the lovely morning. Let's not go to the police and complain.
But he has stolen your silver. We ought to go to the police and complain.
Wait a moment. I think they are here. They are here with your man, John Valjean.
Morning, my lord. We are very sorry to disturb your morning. But we have arrested a crab and he stayed before the gate last night. We shall be very grateful if you could please identify him.
Please bring the man in.
Will you bring the man in?
They have John Valjean! Oh man, he's in handcuffs! He looks terrible. I don't know how badly they've beaten him up. I hear they treat the prisoners very harshly. And here I was all morning thinking hard thoughts about it. And now my mind is uncertainty and I can't look at his face. Come back in and go.
You, John Valjean? Why did you let these people arrest you? Why didn't you tell them who gave you the silver? And why didn't you take your candlesticks?
My candlesticks?
Yes, the candlesticks I gave you last night.
Oh, which man did you do it then?
Keep doing good. My God.
My lord, Bishop.
The bishop. And I call him the innkeeper.
Be quiet, man. What is my detailed truth then, my lord? He told her that Lord gave her the little plates and food. But she did not believe it.
I don't blame you for that, officer. Silver spoons and plates. Don't go with the poor man's rags.
Shall we let the man go then, my lord?
Let the man stay with me. I've got some business to do.
And you stay at your house until he leaves the house. You better escort him out of this town. He's a notorious robber.
Let him stay with me, officer. I've got some work.
We are sorry to disturb the morning, sir. Thank you.
Good morning.
Won't the command handcuff me again?
No, they won't, John Valjean. Don't worry. Do you remember your promise, John Valjean?
My promise?
Yes, the promise you made me while you took the silver.
Are you saying the silver is mine? Weren't you saying so to get rid of the police?
No, I wasn't. The silver is yours. Take it.
I can't believe you. I took your silver like theft. And you turned it to a gift. I thought the police alive. And you turned it to a ghost. Such great kindness.
Come through the windows. The doors for you are always open.
My Lord, Bishop. My Lord. The whole of France.
They beat me very badly. I couldn't defend myself. Thinking away my head. They took away all the loaves of bread. Which were meant for the parents. And they are blaming me. Oh Lord, help me.
Never mind, my child.
हाँ हम खींच रहे पूरा ऐसा करो ना कि कैसे मैं खत्म हो रही उसमें से निकाल के
An
दे दो
exhilarating performance.
निकाल के दे दो
Who can say? With a smile on their face, and we're working hard to make this show a success.
For our student, Mr. Vijay Bahadur.
हाँ वही इधर ही आएंगे
धन्यवाद। हमारी बेटी सोनू सिंह ने एक हफ्ते पहले मुझसे कहा था कि आपको 23 तारीख को आना है। उस रिक्वेस्ट को हमने बहुत सीरियसली नहीं लिया, लेकिन 2 दिन पहले मेरा ग्रैंडसन सोनू का बेटा अधिराज ने कहा कि मैं मामा आप ज़रूर आइएगा कि मैं यहाँ स्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ। उसकी रिक्वेस्ट हम डिसऑनर नहीं कर पाए और मैं करीब 320 किलोमीटर दूर से मैं आज ही आया और इतना समय कम था कि मैं डायरेक्ट आपके स्कूल में आया। मैं अपनी ओर से और सोनू सिंह और स्टाफ की ओर से आप सब लोग जो यहाँ आए उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। विशेषकर श्री एयर मार्शल GS कोचर साहब, AVSM VM विशिष्ट मेडल मैडम कोचर, हमारे बहुत ही निकट ऑनरेबल जस्टिस अमर शरण साहब, उनकी मैडम साहब, उनके पिताजी को भी हम उनके दोस्त थे, वो भी यहाँ पधारे। पहले मुझे इसका बड़ा फ़ख्र था कि मैं 300 किलोमीटर से आया, अभी हमारी लड़की ने बताया कि जस्टिस सरन साहब की लड़की यहाँ परफॉर्म कर रही थी, तो वो लखनऊ से शाम को आए और शायद सुबह फिर चले जाएंगे। ये है पेरेंट्स का लगाव। मैं आपको एक बात कह के अपनी, अमेरिका में जहाँ एशियन बच्चों की जनरल नॉलेज की टेस्ट हुई, दर्जा 2 से दर्जा 5 के लड़कों को व्हाइट हाउस दिखाया गया। 97% जो इंडियन बच्चे थे, जो एशियन बच्चे थे, उन्होंने व्हाइट हाउस पहचान लिया और अमेरिकन चिल्ड्रन ने नहीं पहचान पाया। मैं कहता हूँ भारत का फ्यूचर इन बच्चों में है और इन बच्चों ने ये दिखा दिया कि किस तरह से कंप्यूटर में इन्होंने वर्ल्ड में टॉप किया और पूरी सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी इन्होंने किया। मुझे आज आपके स्कूल में आकर के बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई और मुझे ये भी याद आया कि जब हम लोग स्टूडेंट थे तो सिर्फ सरस्वती वंदना जानते थे और ये याद है कुछ मिठाई उठाई मिलती थी बस। उस हिसाब से बहुत बहुत तरक्की हुई। मैं आपको ज़्यादा समय न लेकर के एक बार पुनः दिल से, अपनी ओर से, अपने स्कूल की ओर से आपके यहाँ पधारने का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड मेनी मेनी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर्स डे, मैरी क्रिसमस। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Ladies and gentlemen, there's an important announcement. We have a small, cute little girl. She's telling her name as Ananya and she's finding her mother.